Sometimes our closet doors are blocked or don't slide at all, and even if we can get used to it, it sometimes makes a simple action like grabbing a t-shirt a pain. Fortunately, in just 2 minutes you'll know how to get rid of this problem easily. To do this, you'll need 3 things: a pair of wire cutter or a sturdy scissors and some all-purpose oil. Not to be confused with WD-40, which is more a degreaser than a real lubricant. Start by dismantling your non-sliding cupboard door by pulling it upwards from its tracks. Once it's off the bottom track, tilt it to remove it from the top guide and place the door where you can to access its rollers. Over time, the rollers accumulate dust and hair, which get caught in the bearings and make sliding the door more complicated. Remove the caster by unclipping it and remove any obstructions. Once this is done, grab your lubricant and put a little on the ball bearings in the center of the caster, then rotate them between your fingers to lubricate them back until you get a smooth bearing. Then replace the wheel and do the same on the other side. Then there's the problem of the plastic guides. After repeated disassembly and reassembly, they may become bent and interfere with your door's operation. If they are effectively bent, cut them off by using your wire cutter or scissors. Then, vacuum the tracks to remove any remaining dust or unwanted hair. Once you've done this, put your door back in place, starting at the top. Make sure that your wheels are in the tracks and not next to it, as they could fall off or even roll off incorrectly. Once in the track, check the bearing quality. If it's not perfect, cut off the remaining plastic guides. They're probably the ones rubbing. And that's it! Your closet doors are now ready for the next international curling competition. Watch your fingers so you don't get caught out, and see you soon in another video. Bye!